Hello kids. Color pen name: pink color, silver color, sky blue color, brown color, yellow color, red color, light green color, green color, brown color, triangle. Kahe kids? Triangle. Brown color, heart. Kahe kids? Heart. Circle. Kahe kids? Circle. Hexagon. Kahe kids? Hexagon. Star. Kahe kids? Star. Brown color, square. क्या है kids? Square. Light green color. कौन सा color kids? Light green color. Light green color. Triangle. क्या है kids? Triangle. Red color. कौन सा color kids? यह red color. Red color. Heart. क्या है kids? Heart. Golden color. कौन सा color kids? Golden color. Golden color. Circle. क्या है kids? Circle. Orange color. कौन सा color kids? Orange color. Orange color. Hexagon. क्या है kids? Hexagon. Pink color. कौन सा color kids? Pink color. Pink color. Star. क्या है kids? Star. Sky blue color. कौन सा color kids? Sky blue color. Sky blue color. Square. क्या है kids? Square.